Hello everyone, today we are going to construct and verify Thevenins theorem for the given circuit in multi-sim software. So this is the given circuit with the 10 ohms, 2.2 kilo ohm, 2.2 kilo ohm, and this will be the load resistance 1 kilo ohm, for which we are going to current flowing through this. So opening multi-sim software, place a source, DC power. So adding a source, and next the resistance is 2.2 kilo ohm. Copy, paste 2.2 kilo ohm and the load resistance, which is 1 kilo ohm. So right click and rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And next we need to place an ammeter in series with this load resistance. So placing an ammeter, okay, rotate clockwise. And next giving connections. So for this circuit, the Thevenins equivalent circuit will be a 5 ohms in series with 1.1 kilo ohm resistance. So this is the Thevenins voltage 5 volts and the Thevenins resistance of 1 kilo ohm. And we have to construct the Thevenins equivalent circuit, DC power. So which is a 5 volts in series with a Thevenins resistance of 1.1 kilo ohm. And we need a load resistance which is of 1 kilo ohm. Rotate. And also we need an ammeter to find the current flowing through this one. So this is the given circuit, and for this one the Thevenins equivalent circuit will be this one. So we are going to change the value as per the given circuit. So the Thevenins voltage will be 5 volts and we have to change this to 5. So now this is the given circuit, and for this circuit this is the equivalent circuit, Thevenins equivalent circuit across this 1 kilo ohm load resistance. And now we have to simulate the circuit by clicking on this run. So we need to place a ground for the circuits, ground, and now run the simulation. So if you observe the ammeters for the both circuits, these are showing the same value. So this will be the Thevenins equivalent circuit of this one. So hence the theorem is verified. Thank you.